At Cambridge-Isanti Schools, we know that education is all about the people. It's the people we get to work with. It's the students we get to inspire. And it's the families and communities who support our schools. We are a learning community that values relationships, collaboration, and the opportunity to make a positive impact on students. Our motto is every student, every day, and we mean it. At Cambridge-Isanti Schools, we strive to develop well-rounded individuals who excel in leadership, achieve at the highest levels, and are responsible citizens. The Bluejacket Way guides us in everything we do, teaching students to be respectful, responsible, honest, self-disciplined, and compassionate human beings. And we are all educators here, regardless of role or job title, whether you are feeding their minds, feeding their bodies, or feeding their spirits. It's always a great day to be a Blue Jacket. As an innovative district, grounded in positive behavioral interventions and support, we are committed to social-emotional learning and the development of the whole child, to meeting children where they are and bringing out their very best. And that means developing the whole employee as well, bringing out their very best through support and collaboration, and offering opportunities for mentorship and career growth. At Cambridge-Isanti Schools, everyone is a valued member of the team. So if you love the opportunity to make a child's day a little brighter, if you believe that strong relationships enhance learning and inspire greatness, and you define success in life by the positive impact you have on others, it's time for you to become a Blue Jacket. Apply online today